Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new Telecom Review virtual panel series. Today, it's our panel is entitled Technology Chiefs Delves into the 5G Advanced.
So if we look initially at the motivation when I talked to some of the executives as a CEO in this space, the initial concept of moving to just 5G itself, it was about ultra low latency.
The other main challenge we really face it is backhauling. When we talk about 4G and I would say 5G with one carrier, we was talking about maybe like one gigabit per second as backhauling. But going with 3cc and millimeter wave, definitely we are talking about higher throughput in the backhauling. So from our side, what we have done, we have started a fiberization project where we connected the fiber for most of the site, and wherever there's a challenge, because of the clutter here in Oman is a bit challenging in some area, which is the rural area, where we can't really deploy the fiber, we have deployed the E-Link.
This is very important that we are opening into new revenue stream, timing as a service or a synchronization as a service that the CSPs can offer as part of release 18. So I think all these new capabilities that 5G Advanced is offering will help operator to further optimize and also go into new revenue streams for their monetization.
What we are dealing is very different beast, right? So there are security mechanisms. What people or hackers or bad actors are using is they are using the tool set, which is much more advanced. So you can't sit on your laurels and just continue to use the traditional layer 3, 4 kind of filtering and peer-to-peer filtering with each, and it needs to be done operator to operator, because you could be having an operator somebody sitting behind one operator and launching that, and you need to figure it out and as a part of the roaming. And I think it's an industry challenge, but it needs to be localized as well through the regulatory bodies.
The ambitions of some of the operators and the countries all over the world to continue that path, pushed by the demand in the market, pushed by the ambitions of the government that we will see, especially here in the Middle East area. We will see that this year actually it is the year that a lot of deployment has started. So the focal points in the world for 5G Advanced, first of all, we have to consider China. China has been taking a lot of actions and a lot of deployment decision, strategic factors, so that they can, have a great 5G success and also continuous 5G Advanced.
In terms of the site, the civil infrastructure part of the site. So one of the main challenges also that we have faced is the site load itself. So the site loading or the tower loading was enough for the 2G, 3G, 4G era. And even primarily for the initial days of the 5G. But once we started looking at the 5G Advanced, the 3cc expansions and so on, there was a big challenge there, because those really antennas, AAUs, they require more site loading to on this. They load the site more, and especially because one of the initial strategies in deploying 3cc is to deploy it in the dense areas.